Made a sandwich. Gonna try it.
That's the tea. That's the fucking tea.
Fucking tea!
Isn't his ass so fat? Have you seen it?
God, it shocked me. Bro, I said another racist thing today. You're hella posed up.
I was thinking to cover the stain and also because it'd be funny if one of you guys put on lipstick and there'd be a kiss mark right there.
I'll take one for the team. Kissing my brother challenge.
I mean, as a priest, we're all brothers and sisters.
In the eyes of the Lord, here are
Oh fuck, Lydia's changing on camera.
Oh, that's not me. That's not me. Can you put a dumpling sticker over it? Oh, you came out at the wrong time.
Oh my god.
That was actually terrible.
I'll do another one.
I'll do another one.
Comment down below if you think we should get Sab shit-faced.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
That means it's time for another one.
Halloween night 1, we're walking to a pre, and then we're gonna go downtown, and it's gonna be great.
Then we're gonna have a good time, and have a good time. We're
And
gonna
these are
go.
10 That's a rock. There's a hot guy on this bus.
might sit.
And I'm in fucking sin.
Sin City was a savior.
Me and pizza my heart, but we're not getting pizza.
That's a good one.
But you're getting my heart.
Where's Jake?
Picture insert. You're looking so hard. Guys, I'm scared. We're scared, guys.
Suéltate.
It's in my eye.
Let me wipe your beard. Twin.
That was probably all the alcohol that was in it. You're not getting drunk from this.
It's day 2 of Halloween weekend. Dressed up as Macho Biker. What are you dressed up as?
I am Wendy from Gravity Falls. And I'm Finn from Adventure.
Hell yeah. What are you guys?
I am Chowder.
I am Gordy.
And we're hopefully gonna get fucking crunk. Nails did, beard shaved. Like yeah, that's how you do this.
She's serving
That's such a horrible bun. Holy fuck. What Halloween is all about, guys.
We're pregnant.
And we lit. No toilet paper. And Sad is gonna go piss right now, so that's what you hear. That's a little sprinkle. That's a beat. That's a POV.
Don't show the toilet, please.
Playing fucking chess, y'all. This is the moment. This is the moment.
Fuck, my tongue is live.
Make, destroy, observe versus system would fail future. Fly, live, sun are bad.
We might meet up with some people, we might not. And we're having a great time. But are we?
We are.
And Bray gonna pee.
Here comes the hurricane, bitch. Here comes the hurricane, bitch. Here comes the hurricane, bitch.
Do it.
Wait, do it. Just follow.
Get his ass on camera, right?
Here comes the
Get your dick out. Fucking twin. Don't ever do that.
It's just such quick access.